Hey, just welcome back to my sort of Airs Air Warfare. So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is an under the cabinet storage option. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the package looks like inside. So there's a lot of different parts inside, but let's take it all out. So here is basically the first layer. So they basically probably got all different layers and different parts for you guys to set it up. And then here is basically one of the tray options. Right underneath that, and you see they probably got an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So the whole installation shouldn't take that long. It's only 6 different steps. And underneath that layer, there's some more stuff. So they probably got a bunch of these little accessories and tools for you to set it up. And then right here, they probably got some more bins that you guys can just hook onto the side. And inside the bin, they also probably got some more accessories that you can use to set it up. And right here, they probably got all the support tubes that you can use to set it up. And right here are the other 2 trays. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually take a look at the instruction manual to see how to install it first. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is to get out this part right here. So this is the side rail, which is number 5. And you guys want to get number 6 to put it on top like this. And you guys want to get another one to hook it on the other side. So just like this on the bottom. Once you guys do that, you guys want to do the same thing for the other side. Make sure you push it all the way in. Once you guys got that set up, you basically want to get the small tray to put on top. And when you guys put in the small tray, you guys want to make sure the bottom part right here is hooked onto the bottom right here. So just like this. And once you guys do that, that will allow you guys to move the tray option forward and backward. So that way you can get easy access when you guys do use it. Once you guys do that, you guys want to get a support tube to put it on all 4 sides. So on the hole right here on the side. Push it in as much as you guys can. Once you guys do that, you guys can get a big tray to put on top. So basically like this. You guys want to fit into the hole in the bottom. Once you guys do that, you guys want to get number 8 to put it on top for the cover option. And it should be the one that looks like this and no hole on the bottom. The one with the holes on the bottom is for the bottom. But you basically want to fill in the hole on top. And you want to repeat the same step for all of them. Once you guys finish that, you guys want to get number 9, which is the one with the holes in the bottom, to put it on the bottom part of this product, which should be these right here. So let's turn it around. You guys want to put it on the bottom like this. So repeat the same step for all 4 corners. Once you guys put it in the bottom, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And the final step is for you guys to add on this hook option if you guys do want to use it. So you do have the option put on the side right here. Or if you guys want to put it in the front, you definitely have that option available. And obviously for the little bucket or this cup option, you guys can hang it anywhere you want to. So you don't put it on the side. You guys can definitely do that. But once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the bottom looks like. So you do have a lot of space for you guys to put stuff on top, or you can put stuff in the bottom. If you guys do put stuff in the bottom, it's probably more convenient because it gives you guys the option to slide it out, which is pretty cool. And I love the way how they designed the product because it has this part on the side to protect it from falling out. Not like a lot of other products where it doesn't have the protection part right here. So having that option is actually really helpful and really useful. And like I mentioned, for this product, they give you guys 2 of them. But basically both of them look the same way once you guys do set it up. So whether if you guys want to put this underneath your sink or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to put it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me just go set this up to show you guys what it looks like if you guys were to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So you see how when you guys put it underneath like a cabinet or your sink right here, it definitely organizes all your stuff. And that way actually makes your stuff look a lot cleaner and more organized when you guys do set it up compared to what you guys see on this side, eventually. And I love the fact that how it has an option like in the front right here for you guys to pull it in and out really easily for you to grab whatever you guys need. And I also love the spin option right here, so that way you can store stuff right there if you guys do want to. And like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here, it gives you guys a pack of 2 of them. So you definitely have the option to use both of them, or you guys can only use one of them if you guys do want to. But eventually when you guys do the product, it definitely helps you guys organize all your stuff and make it look so much more cleaner. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up and use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that it's all quick test, the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But once you guys do use the product, you guys can definitely save a lot of space and keep everything all organized underneath your sink or anywhere else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we take unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to keep everything all organized underneath like your sink or your cabinet or anywhere else. then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.